First, you want to walk up to your tool, make sure there's no obvious damages to the tool before you get started with your work. Wipe down your surface area that you're about to attach the magnets to. Move your tool into place. Now you're going to want to take that, raise it up in the air, and clean off your magnets, again, to get rid of any shavings or whatever that might create an air gap. At this point in time, you shouldn't have anything causing any issues with the lockdown of the magnets. If it is hard to turn on, there's a problem. Now you're going to start cranking down on the tool, which will create the leveling of the two sheets. I do want to get back to the engagement of the magnets. If they're hard to engage, there's a reason why they're hard to engage. Usually it is an air gap or something is creating an air gap, but if you're having trouble turning on the magnets, it's very difficult. You need to look for air gaps. There is definitely going to be an air gap if that is the case. Getting close to finish up leveling. Looks like we're level now. What you'll do is you'll put your tacks where you need to put your tacks at. Once you've got your tacks in place, you'll release the pressure from the tool, and then once the pressure's off, you'll release your magnets and move to the next fit.